learners, welcome back to Tegron Learning Hub. I am so proud that you have taken the first step towards mastering English fluency. This is day 1 of our exclusive 30-day fluency challenge, and today we are unlocking the first and most powerful key to English fluency, and that is listening. But before we dive into listening tips, let's take a moment to understand why is English important and how did some of the most successful people learn it. In today's world, English is not just a language, it's a skill. It is the language of global communication, technology, business, science, and education. Whether you want to crack an interview, study abroad, grow your channel, or anything else, English helps you reach higher. It doesn't matter if you are from a village or a metro city, but English can change your life if you are consistent. Let me give you a real story. Do you know Sachin Tendulkar? He is our cricket legend. Did you know that he is a 10th grade dropout? But today he speaks a fluent English on international platforms. How is that? He listened, he observed, he practiced, and he slowly developed fluency over years. Let's take Kalpana Saroj, who was born in poverty and had no English education. Today, she is a Padma Shri awardee and a businesswoman who speaks confidently in English in every investor meeting. Even actors like Chiranjeevi and Rajinikanth started without knowing English. They learned it in the hard way through listening, observation, and practice. So what's common between all these lessons? They didn't wait to become perfect. They just started learning English step by step, just like you're doing right now. We are following proven rule in this series, that is LSRW. Do you know what is meant by LSRW? I think most of the people knows this. L means listening, S means speaking, R means reading, and at last W means writing. So this is LSRW. These 4 skills are the foundation of any language, and we start where every child starts, with listening. Why? Because your ears are the first teachers. You listened to your mother's voice before you ever spoke a word. The same rule applies to English. Listening is the key to understand real pronunciation and accents, to catch natural sentence flow, to learn grammar and phrases without memorizing, and most importantly, to build confidence. But how should you listen? And what should you listen? Let's get practical now. Every day, sit in a quiet corner, put on your headphones, and start with just 10 minutes of focused listening. Just start with simple cartoon shows like Peppa Pig or Dora the Explorer. English interviews of famous personalities like Sundar Pichai, Elon Musk, or Satya Nadella. Inspirational talks in slow English and short English stories for beginners. But avoid English movies for now because most movies use native slang and fast-paced dialogues that are not suitable for beginners. Now let's learn a simple way to improve your speaking. That is shadowing technique. It means listen to a sentence and then say the same sentence out loud, just like you're copying it. Here's how you can do it. Play a sentence from a video, pause the video, say the sentence out loud in the same way. Keep doing it until you sound just like the speaker. For example, if the video says, I enjoy learning new languages, and you should try to say in the same accent the way the speaker tells. Do this with each sentence. It will help you speak clearly, say full sentences smoothly, and feel more confident when talking in English. Here's a simple daily routine to follow. First, choose a 5-minute English video with slow speech. First, listen without subtitles and then listen with subtitles. Shadow each sentence. Note down 5 new words and their usage. For example, the word probably. Just note the meaning of it. What is the meaning of the word probably? Likely to happen. And make a sentence with that. She will probably come today. Sounds simple, is it? With this habit, you will start catching English phrases naturally. Remember, fluency is not a talent, it's a habit. You don't need a big degree or a perfect accent. You only need to practice every day. Start where you are, use what you have, and just give 15 minutes to English every day. You will be amazed at your growth by the end of 30 days. If you found this helpful, please take a moment to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tegron Learning Hub. We are building a family of confident English speakers, and you are an important part of it. This was just day 1, and we focused on the listening skill, the foundation of fluency. In 5 days, we will unlock speaking, and I will teach you how to express fluently and confidently. Until then, keep listening, keep growing. This is Tegron Learning Hub signing off. Let's make English simple, powerful, and fun together. See you in the video soon. Bye bye.